Okay, here's the breakdown for Friend Like Me. We're gonna start with our feet together and our hands by our side. And we're gonna kick out with the right foot first, and then the left foot. And then we're gonna step together, step, leading with the right heel. Right, together, right, together. Then we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna go kick left, kick right, then lead with the heel, right, left, together, left, together. Okay, so let's try it. So it's right, left, right, together, left, right, left, together, left, together. Add in the arms. They're gonna palms down, just kind of go out. Doesn't need to be like super rigid, just out, out, and then you're gonna toss your juggle as you're moving. So it's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, left, right, together, left, right, left, together, okay? And the more you get into it, you can like add shoulders and hips, it's all up to you, okay? From here, we're gonna do a jazz square. So you're going to step back a little bit. You're gonna cross over with your right foot, okay? You're gonna step back with your left, and you're gonna slide to the right, bring your feet together, okay? So as you're crossing, just big swing in the arms, 2, open, and as you bring your feet together, your palms are flat, okay? And then you're gonna end it with 1 hop and a 2 hop. So you're gonna hop once and twice, okay? So all together that move, we just did this on the left side. We're gonna cross over right, left, slide, together, hop, 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 okay? From the top, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and right, left, right, together, right, together, left, right, left, together, left, jazz square, right, left, slide, down, hop, 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 okay? From there, okay, we're gonna step out on the right leg, okay? So you're gonna step out and lean in a lunge. Left arm is down here, right arm is pointed out. This should be strong. Make sure it's not up or down, but parallel with the ground. And you're going to tap your foot and pulse your head. So, can your friends do this? Da da da, da da da. Okay, you're gonna pas de bourrée, right foot, right, left, right. This allows you to switch your feet to step out on that, 2, 3. Okay, so we just did hop, hop, hop. Can your friends do 1, 2, 3, right, left, 2, 3. We're gonna do it one more time. Left, right, center. Feet should be side by side, a little open. And then from here, you're going to do like a heel click. 1, 2. Kind of make your feet go in. Upper body is rigid. 1, 2. Body roll up. So from the side, start with the hips. Hips go in first, and then everything follows behind it. 1, 2, body roll, okay? So from the hops, we're gonna do hop, hop, hop. Can your friends do this? 2, 3, right, left, right, point. 2, 3, left, right. Heels, heels, roll up. You're gonna swivel with your feet. Right foot first, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then together. You're gonna use jazz hands with a little squat. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, up, like this again. Okay, so from the hops, ready? Hop, hop, hop. Can your friends do this? 2, 3, right, left, right, that. 2, 3, left, right, left. Swivel, body roll, and then and then 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba da ba, ba da, ba da ba, ba. Cross. 1, 2, 3, and hop, hop, hop. Can your friends do this? 2, 3. Can your friends do that? 2, 3. Can your friends pull this out of their little hat? 2, 3, 4, up. And then this is the part where it's a little bit more freestyle, okay? So you're gonna kind of boogie. 1, 2, and then you're gonna cross twice, and 3 and 4. Boogie again, arms come up, and your feet come together. 2, 3, 4. Okay? So again, you're gonna come out of, we just did the swivel step here, okay? And then you're gonna boogie 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, up, okay? And from here, the last step is I'm the genie. So you're gonna step forward on the right foot. You back up a little bit. So you're gonna step forward with the right. You're gonna turn over your left shoulder without moving your feet. You're gonna turn to the back. Step forward with the right leg again. Turn over your left shoulder without moving your feet. Okay, so that is step, I'm the genie of the lamp. Last line is I can sing, rap, dance if you give me a chance. You're gonna step right, left, lift your right knee, push your hands forward. From the side, it's right, left, right. So I'm kind of collapsing my shoulders here. Right, left, up. Step back on the right, step back on the left, step back on the right, swivel, swivel to end. Okay? Let's go nice and slow all the way through from the top. 2, ready, and ba da ba, ba ba, da da ba, ba ba. Jazz square, right, left, down, together, ba ba da. Can your friends do this? 2, 3, right, left, and that. 2, 3, left, right, heel clicks. 1, 2, up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then break it down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Step. I'm the genie of the lamp. You can sing, rap, dance if you give me a chance. Ho. Let's try it with the music at 80% and 90%. For the audition, we will only do 90%. Okay?